Neola is looking good. Hello everyone. It is a cool April Monday night, and I am at Mineola train station. I'm going to be going to Bethpage train station for the night stuff. Now I'm pulling in this train 1072 from Penn Station to Ronkonkoma, my train to Bethpage. And it so happens to have M3s. Looks like only the ditch lights are activated. After Penn Station, this train stops at Kew Gardens, Jamaica. Mineola, Mineola, Bethpage, and then Farmingdale, Wyandanch, Deer Park, Brentwood, and Central Islip. There is no Hicksville on this train. It is an express. Train 1068 before this had M3 after Penn Station. Stop at Jamaica, Hicksville, Bethpage, Farmingdale, Wyandanch, Deer Park, Brentwood, and Ronkonkoma. No Central Islip. Next train on the stop on this train will be Bethpage. We are now going through Hicksville. Port Jefferson branch just past us. Next up, we will be blowing up the South Road and South Oyster Bay Road crossings. New South Road crossing. South Oyster Bay Road crossing. .1072 is now departing. That was train 1072 going to Ronkonkoma. My words have been jumbled up tonight so far, but hopefully that'll fix up. At Mineola, I had said after Penn, this train stops Kew Gardens and Jamaica, but it's actually Woodside then Jamaica. Figured I was wrong. But the text on the video will be edited. When I said that in the video, it'll show up on the screen. It'll say Woodside, not Kew Gardens. But I'm correcting it now too. But 1068 and 1072 are the right numbers, and they both did have M3s. I didn't get to specify more, but I was right with the stops on 1068. But 1068 does skip Central Islip after Brentwood, and next stop is Ronkonkoma, which is very odd. Never really seen it before, but it's cool to see that. Before COVID happened, a lot of trains made weird stops like that. At least I'm pretty sure. So it's good to have a bunch of new trains that make pretty cool stops. As of right now, the time is 8:19 p.m. The New York and Atlantic Railway RS51 should be coming within next 40 minutes, I would say. 45 minutes, maybe 50. Other night I was here, came about a few minutes after this time, but there was a train held in Ronkonkoma, so I guess they just let it go through. But no matter what, should be here within the next hour, not even. We'll see what else comes during that. Now approaching at 9:02 is the New York and Atlantic Railway RS51. Railway RS51 with New York and Atlantic Railway GB38-2s 270, 271 with 270's ear-piercing, absolutely, without a doubt, amazing K5LA. By far my favorite horn on this railroad. 41 cars, garbage slash C&D cars from Coastal Distribution, and stone hoppers from Coastal Distribution. That horn will never get old. Next up will be 26, going to Montauk. train 26 from Jamaica to Montauk with the class unit 400 with a really neat K5LL. Well, that proved my theory more, that 400's amazing. And they flew too. They went MAS. Might not have been exactly 80, but it was very close to it.
Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train.
Now approaching is an M9 test train from Hillside to Ronkonkoma. It's M9s.
Warning. Second train.
Did I just repeat myself?
Warning.
Probably did.
Second train coming.
Yes, as I said, this is an M9 test train.
Warning.
From Hillside to Ronkonkoma, they've been testing a lot of these.
Warning.
It's got 9012 in the lead.
Coming.
Seeing a lot of different numbers testing recently.
Second train coming.
Got the front door open.
Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train.
It's consisting of a 6-car tonight.
Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Train coming. Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train coming. Warning. Second train coming. Warning.
Train 1975 from Ronkonkoma to Penn Station with M3s. Train 47 from Speonk to Jamaica with 502 and 515. 2 awesome K5LLs. An 8-car set. And that's all for tonight's Railfanning. Awesome revs on those engines.